Here's Max applying the Meguiar's light solution. Works pretty nice. Here, we'll do a quick walk around, tell you down. There's his wheels, can't see them, but pretty good. This is your special guest, Patman 5678 here. You can see the difference in the headlights. Looks pretty dang good. You want me to stop it? Good footage. Forward. Woo! Sorry for our jokes, but we're just teenage boys having fun, man. As you can see, the light is much shinier now. Clear Plastax. That's what they call it from Meguiar's. There's a happy guy with his new lights. Yeah!